Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello guys, my name is Risa Ulma. My last number 114. So today I want to tell you about how to make the melted chocolate bread. Now allow me to tell you what ingredients need to be prepared. We start from now. To make a melted chocolate bread, you have to prepare white bread, margarine, sliced chocolate bar, chocolate milk, egg, breadcrumbs, and the oil. We're going to the step. The first step, roll the bread until thin. You can use the butter to refine it. Choose white bread with no edges or soft white bread. The second, spread margarine to the bread. You can use a spoon to spread, like this. The third, put the sliced chocolate bars into white bread. And add a little milk chocolate. After that, fold white bread like this. The next, put the folded bread in the egg. And put it in breadcrumbs. The last step, cook the bread until the color changes to little bit brown. Yoo! The melted chocolate bread finished and ready to eat. This is result. You can see the chocolate is very melted and certainly very tasty. And this is also suitable for snacking when gathering together with family. Moreover, it also can be used to fill your up time during physical distancing. This is so delicious. You must try in your home. Okay, maybe eating enough. If you find any mistakes, please forgive me. The last I say, wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. See you.